Okay, so today I'm going to be building the ALL CORSAIR gaming PC with my brother. These are the components we're going to be using. We have a Core i9-9900K, which goes into our MPG Z390 Gaming Plus by MSI. An SP120 RGB Pro exhaust fan, RM850X power supply by Corsair, obviously. IQ H100i Elite Capellix, 970 Evo Plus by Samsung, and now let's start the build. First, you got your motherboard.
Pog. Look at this motherboard, that's nice.
So, okay. The CPU itself, you have to be very careful with this because if you bend even one of the pins on the underside of it, it could kill the CPU. So once that's done, just slide the cover back over it. We'll take off the cover and slide it down and lock it underneath. I cannot tell you with words how much excitement there was building this thing. Okay, then we got our Vengeance RGB Pro RAM by Corsair. Also, yeah, my camera died here. So this is just an old webcam. Sorry. Okay, so this is 2x16, so 32 gigs of Corsair RAM. This is the 3600 megahertz one. When you put in the RAM, make sure that you get a click and then fasten the sides. Don't push it in too hard. If it doesn't go in properly, just take it out. Try to make sure it's level and then push it in again. And then we have our SSD, Samsung 970 Evo, 1 terabyte. So put it in the slot, and when you're screwing it in, don't screw it too hard because you don't really need it to make sure it's tight so that it keeps it in, because the slot's keeping it in. You just need to make sure that it doesn't come up. So you just need to, it doesn't need to be that tight. And then this is our H100i CPU cooler. We could not figure out how to unbox this. So the CPU, the mounting bracket goes on the bottom, the motherboard. And then this is our case, the big chunk, the Corsair 4000X. Make sure you store your screws in a secure location. Then the peel. And then you can ball it up and eat it. So take off the back panel. Well, you don't need to do that right away, but we just wanted it. Then, yeah. We lost all the footage over here, so just pretend you saw us put in the motherboard, connect the CPU cooler, put in the power supply, and do all the wiring, and then it's done.
Let's go! Look at that! Look at that!
And also turn on first try. Pog. Subscribe, please.